A very good morning, class 5 student. Today we are going to start chapter 2 of your NCERT book, and the name of the chapter is Shapes and Angles. So, what you know about shapes and angles? First we talk about the shapes. Here in this picture you can see that some shapes are given. You have to identify the open or closed figure here. If you see the picture carefully, अगर आप इन pictures को ध्यान से देखेंगे तो आपको देख के ही पता चल जाएगा which pictures are closed and which are open. So for the closed figure, the starting and the ending point should be same. जिस पिक्चर में स्टार्टिंग और एंडिंग पॉइंट सेम होता है दैट इज़ क्लोज फिगर. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं द फर्स्ट फिगर दैट इज़ क्लोज्ड, दैट इज़ अ रेक्टेंगल. नाउ नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी एक एरो बना हुआ है, दैट इज़ एरो, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ क्लोज फिगर. एंड a oval shape is here, that is also a closed figure. बाकी जो figures हैं that all are open because इनका starting and ending point is not the same. So in the closed figure we are having, when the starting and the ending point is same, we consider it as closed figure. Now we will learn something about the shapes you already knew. Here we have some pictures of the figures. First shape is triangle. In this shape you can see number of sides is 3, number of vertices are 3. The next shape is rectangle. The number of sides are 4 and number of vertices is also 4. And that is square. The number of sides are 4 and number of vertices are also 4. That is the shapes you already knew about it. Now we will learn something new. Here you can see the picture of two girls. Hi Mohini, let's play a game. We have to make a shape using all 6 toothpicks. Okay, and that shape should be a closed fig. These are Mohini and Rohini and they want to play a game. और उस game में उन्होंने decide किया है कि they will make a closed shape with the help of 6 toothpicks. Now, both of them made their shape using the 6 toothpicks, as you can see in this picture. Now when they show the shapes to each other, जब उन्होंने एक दूसरे को दिखाया, they found it very shocking that they have made 2 shapes with 6 toothpicks and both were different. As you can see the picture, they follow the same rule but still the both picks look very different. Now look at the picture carefully. दोनों pictures को अगर आप देखेंगे, those pictures are made from 6 toothpicks, and the color drawing you can see with the blue color and red color, these are also different. Starting के जो the three red colors, they are common, दोनों में same है, both are same, but green colors के जो आपके marking है that are different. Here the shape between the two toothpick is known as angle. ये जो आपके दो टूथपिक के बीच में जो शेप बनी है दैट इज़ नोन एज एंगल. So let's understand about the angles. First we will understand about parts of angle. When we join two lines, जब हम किन्हीं भी two lines को join करते हैं with a common point, that the space between the two lines is called a angle, and that common point is called vertex, and two lines which are joining, these are called arms of angle. So here ये जो दो lines हैं ये arms है angle की, and बीच में जो बना है space that is angle. Now we will understand about types of angle. As you can see, we have here a sleeping line and standing line. So that is forming a right angle. So angle whose measure is 90 degree is called right angle, and that look like L. So the shape look like L. Now we have two lines here, and that is smaller than the right angle, and that is known as an acute angle. So less than 90 degree or acute angle, so that is angle whose measure is more than 0 but less than 90. So 90 से छोटा जो angle होता है that is called acute angle. Now we have next that is more than 90 or you can say greater than 90. So जो greater than 90 angle form कर रहा है that is known as obtuse angle. So more than 90 or you can call it obtuse angle. Now we have here one line and one more line which is going opposite direction, जो दूसरे डायरेक्शन पे जा रही है, and both are meeting at one point and they are forming a straight line. So जो दो लाइन मिलके एक straight line बनाती है that angle is called straight angle. इस एंगल को हम straight angle कहते हैं. एंगल whose measure is 180 डिग्री. straight angle आपका 180 डिग्री होता है, right angle आपका 90 डिग्री होता है. Now we will see what we have learned. We have already learned about the angle. Angle less than 90 is known as acute angle. This is an acute angle. Now angle look like L shape, that is right angle and which is equal to 90 degree. Now angle greater than 90 degree is known as obtuse angle. And we measure the angle with degrees and straight line में जो angle form होता है that is known as straight angle. So 180 degree angle or straight angle. So these are the 4 types of angle. Now we have some pictures here and you have to observe the angles in this picture. First you can see this is a scissor and इसकी opening है and you can see the opening is less than 90 degree. It is forming an acute angle. Similarly, the mouth of alligator, you can see in this picture, this is also forming an acute angle. Now in this kite, that is looking like L, it means it is a right angle, it means 90 degree angle. Opening of door, it is forming greater than 90 degree, so that is obtuse angle. Now look at this slide. This slide is forming also an angle. Now we can find angles in our surrounding. आप अपने surrounding में angles देख सकते हैं in your furniture, electronic appliances, vehicles, in your park. So you can observe many things around you which are forming angles. If this slide is not forming an angle, you can't slide on it. अगर ये slide angle नहीं बनाएगा, straight हो जाएगा, so it will be difficult to slide. So you can slide easily when it is forming angle. Now practice time. As you can see in this picture, look at the shape and answer. Here we have given a picture. This is in your NCERT book. You have to solve in your books also. So look at the shape and answer. The first is the angle marked in dash color is biggest angle. See the picture carefully and see which angle is biggest. So you can see black color angle is the biggest. Are the angles marked with yellow are equal? Now you can see both the yellow angles, they are not looking equal. So the answer is no. Now the next question, are the angles marked with green equal? अब जितने आपके green हैं, green angles, if you look the green angles carefully, you can see the picture both are looking equal. So the answer is yes. Are the angles marked with blue equal? Now you can see the blue equal angles. Yes. Now here we have 4 different angles marked in 4 colors. आपको पिक्चर में दिख रहा है 4 different angles है जो 4 colors से आपके हो रखे हैं. Can you find other angles which are the same as the one marked in red? और आपको सेम कलर आपको करना है, जो आपको जहाँ पे सेम मिलता है वहाँ पे आपको सेम कलर से मार्क करना है. दैट इज़ योर होमवर्क असाइनमेंट. यू विल डू इट बाय योर सेल्फ. नाउ लुक एट दीज पिक्चर्स. नाउ look at the angles in the pictures and fill the table. We have to fill the table and first we observe in this picture what angles they are forming. Look at the scissor opening, that is you can see that is less than right angle. So scissor में you have to tick on the column less than right angle. Now look at your elbow. Our elbow always make a right angle. So it's a complete right angle. Now the next picture, this is more than a right angle. ये जो elbow आपने जिसे that is more than a right angle. Now we have a kite here. Look the kite carefully. What angle it is forming? It is forming an right angle. Now we have one more picture here. And what angle that is forming? This angle is forming less than a right angle, that is acute angle. Now stop का जो आपका sign है, that is forming more than a right angle. Now we have a fun activity here. Write your name using straight line. You have to write your name. आपको straight line use करते हुए अपना नाम लिखना है, and then you will find कितने angles form हो रहे हैं. So we have, I am showing you through an example. I have an example here. The name is Ruchika. Now I have written this name with the help of straight lines. Now in this Ruchika, we will mark the right angles, acute angles and obtuse angle. Right angles mark किए हैं with red color. Now we will mark the angles less than 90 degree, that is blue color. So all acute angles we are forming, that is blue color, and all obtuse angle we are forming with green color. So we have number of right angles here. When we count the number of right angles we get, so we can count and write the number of angles here. And similarly, what we do, here we have 17 right angles. Now we will count the acute angles. So total acute angles we are having in this name are, we have to count the blue angles, that are only 3. Now we have to count number of 3 is obtuse angle, and 7 numbers are acute angles here. Now you will do this fun activity at your home. You have to write your name with the straight lines, and you will also count the number of right angles, acute angles and obtuse angle. Okay class, hope you have understood what I try to make you understand. Thank you so much, and you will do your assignment in your notebook. The name assignment is notebook, and rest of the work you have to do in your NCERT book. Thank you.